Hey guys, Judah here again. Welcome to my channel. Tonight, I have another video tutorial about how to request a refund in AirAsia website by Ava, our beautiful all-star virtual assistant. But before that, I just want to shout out my new subscriber, Mush IA. Thank you so much for subscribing and supporting my channel. Okay, let's start. First, you have to go to airasia.com. Type sa browser mo yung airasia.com. And then, manage booking. Click my bookings. So this is what I always do if I need to check the correct details of the passenger. So, departure city, Manila, booking number. Enter the booking number. And then the family name or surname. So, booking confirm and click itinerary kung gusto mong tingnan yung itinerary just to check the details. So, I click the chat with Ava icon. And then here's Ava typing. Our very beautiful AirAsia virtual all-star. So, I select flights. We are ready for takeoff. Please select one and I select refund. Check case status kasi yun yung concern natin. Gusto natin magpapa-refund. And now, I select my flight is cancelled by AirAsia. I'm sorry your flight was cancelled. If you're interested, select credit account to get started. Kung gusto mong ipa-credit account na lang para pwede mo siyang magamit anytime na gusto mo na siyang meron ka ng final na date. So, since gusto talaga ng passenger na refund, click natin tong refund. So, let me help you with that. I need your booking number or PNR. So, ito yung booking number. Pwede mo siyang i-type, pwede mo din siyang i-copy-paste, or whatever you want, as long as ma-type mo siya dito sa hinihingi niya na booking number. I just found your booking. So, please provide me the family name of the guest. So, now I just need the guest given name. So, syempre, tatakpan natin kasi and then, almost done, I need the guest date of birth in the following format. Type mo yung date of birth ng isa sa mga passenger kung for example dalawa or marami kayo sa isang ticket. Isa lang na details or the birthday yung ilalagay mo. So now, I just need the email. So, dito kadalasan na nagkakamali yung mga nag-try mag-chat kay Ava kasi mali yung email, hindi tinatanggap ni Ava. So, make sure na talagang tama yung details na ibibigay mo kay Ava. So, mangi-error talaga yan. So, do you wish to cancel the flights in your booking? So, why to cancel all the flights? So, in this case, dalawa sila. Kung lahat naman ng guests i-type mo yung 3 or all guess. Kung selected guess lang yung ipapa-refund, type mo yung number 1 or 2 or 3. Just sundan mo lang yung sinasabi ni Eva dito. So, kindly provide the subject, short description about the refund case. So, tinatype ko dito ng due to COVID, airline cancellation. Kasi last June pa ata tong flight na to, June 2020. Ngayon lang na process. So, got it. Please select your form of refund by typing in 1 and 2. Number 1, credit account. Number 2 is original mode of payment. Original mode of payment. Kung gusto mong ipapa-deposit sa yung bank, yung money. So, since gusto ni client na i-deposit na lang sa kanyang bank, I type number 2. So, I need your bank details to process the refund. So, which country is the bank located? Saang bansa daw? So, I type Philippines. And then, kindly provide me the bank account holder name. So, the bank account holder name must belong either to guest or contact person in the booking. So, dapat daw na yung bank account na ibibigay mo ay dapat kasama siya doon sa booking or hindi kaya contact person. So, hindi pwede na ibang name, okay, ibang bank details. Bank account holder name, and then what is your bank account number? Bigay mo yung account number ng bank mo. What is the bank name? And where is the bank branch? Please provide the SWIFT code. So, kung hindi mo alam pa itong SWIFT code, i-GMT mo, Google mo te. So, siguro ito yung SWIFT code na i-copy mo lang yan and then i-paste mo doon. So, parang tama naman to kasi tinanggap naman. So, please provide the SWIFT code. Okay, so yay! You have successfully completed your refund request. So, binigyan ka ng case reference number. So, ito yung gagamitin mo kung magpa-follow up ka sa kanila. Okay, at yun siya. Ganun lang kadali mag-process ng refund. Just provide a correct and complete details para hindi din ma-stress si Eva at ma-assist ka niya ng maayos. So, you will receive an email that contains your reference number and ito yung gagamitin mo if you follow up your refund. Take note that refund reversal may take 1 to 3 months depending with the airline processing. I hope you are patient enough to wait that long kasi depende talaga sa airline yun. That is why credit account is more recommended kasi you can use it anytime if final na yung travel date mo. So, I hope nasundan mo yung tutorial na ito, and if you have questions, just leave your comment down below and I will try my best to answer your question. If you need a reliable travel agent to help you with your bookings, just simply message me para di ka na ma-stress kung may changes sa iyong booking. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys! See you sa susunod na video!